After leaks of each individual device, VentureBeat reporter Evan Blass has tweeted a photo of all three rumored versions of the Huawei P20, the regular P20, the P20 Lite, and the P20 Pro. We can now clearly see what will likely be the front and back of each phone. They're about what we expected. The P20 and P20 Pro both feature a front-mounted fingerprint sensor, whereas the P20 Lite includes a rear fingerprint sensor. It still has a chin at the bottom of the phone, though. They all include a notch at the top, a la iPhone X and the Essential phone. Get used to it. Most interestingly, the P20 Pro includes a third rear camera that supposedly has some sort of AI use. We're still unclear on what that might be, but the cameras will likely feature scene recognition and face detection. Huawei's been hinting at this third lens since it teased its press conference on March 27 in Paris with the tagline, "See more with AI." Now, really, the only concrete news we're waiting for is exact pricing on these phones. According to a tweet from leaker Roland Quant, the P20 Pro model will likely cost €899. The standard P20 will cost €670, and the P20 Lite will cost €369.